दोस्तों you can see this light. I'm totally frustrated and I don't know what's the wrong with Unity. You can see in this image and you can see also the version name. You can see the version name, that is the 2022.3, and this is the LTS version. And here you can see this is the light source, this is the light source, and after the baking what's happening, you can see stars in the room. So what's the hell it is? Means Unity is I just installed the Unity 2022 LTS version because they are launching so many stuff like Meta related stuff, like Apple Vision Pro stuff. So I decided to move myself on Unity latest version 2022. What happens with me, that here you can see this is the light issue, and I'm also going to show you what happens. So much thing happened with me. Like I had one project that was in 2020.3, and after that I decided to change this project in LTS version of 2022 and .3.2. and what happened in this, that my project is VR project. So when I converted, so there was some issue, so I resolved, like there was Oculus issue, like there was Oculus dot, but they changed the name, so there was Meta. So I just fixed those issue. But what happens, that day my final IKs was working, but after one day I started playing my application and the final IK was not working. What was happening is that my head IK was totally destroyed, means it was not taking any effect of my head, and left and right controller was working. So I didn't understand what is the wrong with it, figure out and I just figure out on final IK. So I decided to go with this Unity version. In this Unity version I also face a problem, so I will share to you what was the problem. But in this, what I faced, that final IK was not working, and lighting, I show you that what's happening here. You can see very well. I just go in this version because final IK told me to go in this version. This is compatible. So when I go in this package, when I was opening my project, what happened? I lost URP. So I lost URP. So I had to add URP manually. So I just did it. After that, what happens, that whenever I have used, because I have lots of scene in my application, so what happens, that every box collider box collider size get increase in very large amount. Like let's suppose there is any box, let's suppose this is the box, so I have added box collider, so this size happened in this area, like in this area, means bigger than this, so it's covering in this boundary. So in every scene this happened with me. So I'm requesting to Unity developers, if you are working, if you are creating, if you are bringing new things, so please create a stable thing, so that you are not working with that new technology you are bringing, like Apple Vision Pro or Meta Quest 3, but it should be compatible with older project. Okay, so I'm requesting to you. And the problem with Unity is that in every week they launch new Unity version. So please don't do this a year, only launch 1 or 2 Unity version, because it's really create a headache for a developer, that which version we choose, and when we change, so we always face problem. Like nowadays in Unity 2022, what we are also facing, that when we are creating any APK, so if we are not if we have not created signed APK, we are not able to build our APK. It shows some JDK issues, so I don't know what's the wrong with them. So please, these are the many issue I want to figure out. That APK, nowadays every Unity is asking to signed APK. If I don't want to upload my APK on the Play Store or any store, so why I will do always signed to create APK. So these are the issue, and please figure out. And if you have this any one of them, so please let me know in the comment box, and you know any solution, so also please let me know in the comment box, because these were the issues. I never seen that box collider get increase in my whole development career. That's it, and thanks for watching. Hope Unity will learn something. Bye bye, take care.